Welcome to Quick Tips from MSC Industrial Supply, a show that shares expertise and innovations with the manufacturing community. Today's tip comes from 3M and is designed specifically for men who celebrate their individuality with facial hair. Let's take a look. If a mustache or beard or any type of facial hair is an important part of who you are, you may not be able to wear a negative pressure, tight-fitting respirator. You see, in order to make that happen, you need to be clean-shaven, so the respirator sealing surfaces touches your face. However, there's a solution that allows you to keep your look. A loose-fitting head top with a powered air purifying respirator, or PAPR, is a simple way that allows you to let your facial hair grow while also keeping you safe. Other advantages to loose-fitting head tops and PAPRs include 1. There is no fit testing needed. 2. There is no breathing resistance. 3. They are more comfortable. 4. You can get cooling action while being protected and working. 5. They can be easy to wear with other types of personal protective equipment. 6. They bring higher levels of respiratory protection. 7. There's potential for increased productivity. So if you're a welder, you may just fall in love with this loose-fitting head top. For more information on 3M's welding helmet solutions, visit www.mscdirect.com/3M-PAPR. So to all you beard aficionados and proud mustache wearers who are wondering if you are free to grow your hair under your respirator, the answer is yes. You be you and let 3M bring the science applied to life. Thank you for joining us on Quick Tips. See you next time.